have installed virtual environment, and also we required VPN. Now at present, I am not using any VPN due to this practical, I have stopped my PIA VPN. So how to install PIA VPN? PIA VPN is very important. PIA VPN. Just type PIA VPN. So private internet access. This is the name of that PIA full form. Just click it. This is a paid one. So this is a paid one. I am showing just how to install it. Get VPN. Click on Get PIA VPN. Take any month, monthly, yearly, anything. Select plan and purchase it and install it. This is the paid one. Okay. So everybody say, sir, the first time we need to purchase PIA VPN. So I recommend you need to purchase PIA VPN. It's very secure. It will protect you 100% anonymous. Okay. Other than that PIA VPN, there are most very cyber ghost and good VPNs are there, but those VPNs are not available in India. So if you have chance, you are able to purchase those VPNs, you can purchase it. Or not, you can take the PIA. It is also very, very good to protect our anonymity. And you are not able to purchase for the practical purpose, we are not able to purchase PIA VPN, then what? That is a question. So for that, I want to show you the alternate VPN called Proton VPN. This is also one of the best VPN like PIA VPN. Here they are providing with some features, Proton VPN they are providing. So how to get the Proton VPN? Just get Proton VPN now. Click on it. So it is asking the money, right? VPN Plus. This is also paid one. But in the below, you will see free, Proton free. One device, no locks, no ads, free forever, upgrade anytime. This is the option we need to avail. We got the free VPN. Just click it. Continue free. There are some for VPN, whatever you are paying, 100% it will be secure, right? 100 countries, streaming, many things are there. You are not paying, just using for anonymity. So whatever the streaming and these things, activities you are doing, randomly country assigned these things, it will not available, but it will be protected your anonymity. That is sure. So we require that only. We don't require multiple things, right? So just click continue to free. So it want to create your account. So create your account. How you will create your account? You need to give your Gmail ID, right? If you provide your Gmail ID, how you will be protected? That is a question. See, you required anonymity as a hackers. How hackers are protecting their identity? They are taking some measures. What measures? These type of measures. If you are script kiddie, what you will do? You will give your email ID. So then sometime if anybody want to see who is this, they will get your email ID. Based on your email ID, you will get your data will be your entire details will be available. So how to create account? Then go to the tempt mail. Tempt mail. Click on tempt mail. Okay. In the tempt mail, try to log in with this tempt mail email ID. I am not showing this email ID will be taken. Sometimes it will be. That's why we'll try it. Copy it. Come here. Paste. Hit enter. So what it is saying? See, we are detecting potentially abused traffic on this network. Already this type of email IDs will be blocked. This type of emails will be blocked. How to get the another email ID? Just come down, try this email ID. And the temp area, temp to mail platform is there. Try this one, copy it. Paste it. Already this email ID used. I think this email ID used by me, I think already. Okay, close. Come another area. Copy it. Paste. See, it's done. So we used some disposable temporary email ID. Set your password. It is asking password. Continue with this password? No, I want to set my own password. Something randomly I will set. Whatever I know. You need to set up your password as well. See, I received one message. Proton email. Verify email ID. I have verified this email ID. Okay, email ID verified. That's it. Our job done. So we need to download it. Download the VPN. Download just. It is downloading. It's very important. You need to be very so your security is must in the online. You need to take security measures. How the hackers are taking. Because why security measures means whatever activities you are doing for the practical purpose, you need to understand the hackers' methods and their approach, how they are doing. Okay, so VPN was installed. Okay. Next. No, I don't want this. Next, install it. It will take just 1 to 2 minutes to install the Proton VPN, and then automatically it will pop up the username and password. Whatever the email ID which we have provided, that email ID is your username, and password, whatever you kept your password, that is your password. As I said, once installed, it will ask username and password. Okay, what is your username? We have given this email ID, right? This is the email ID we have given. Copied. Paste. Password, whatever we have provided. Sign in. Connect. Now I connected. Some random company test, no, random country test taken, Netherlands. Okay. So my IP address now is 89 from Netherlands. So it's a free VPN. No need to purchase anything. In that free VPN, you have some options as well. Some others countries also they are providing 1, 2, 3. These all countries are available, but we have only few countries option to kept as a use for the this free version of VPN. Only 1 or 2 upgrade plan it is asking. No upgrade version. Many countries it is showing. See, many countries are available already here. Okay, many countries are there, but these all are upgrade versions. Click it, you'll see upgrade place, asking to upgrade to place. As a students, most of the students, what they will do, they are unable to purchase the VPNs at present. They think why we need to purchase at present. That's a good point from their end. At least they need to protect their identity. For that reason, I am showing this Proton VPN. Not using just Chrome extension VPNs or temporary VPNs. No, this is the one of the standard VPN. This is also protect like a very. This is also professional VPN. Connected with United States now. When I am connecting, my internet connectivity might lost sometimes because it will disconnect the internet and take the connection over to the VPN. So now I don't want this VPN. I am connecting, disconnected, and I close. Like Iceland, connected to Iceland. Refresh it. No thanks. See now, New Zealand. Refresh it, man. Now I am from Iceland. So this is a benefit of the anonymity by taking the paid version. I am not a promoter of this VPN. Just I am suggesting my students to secure their identity. If they want, they can use the Proton VPN as well. Okay.